Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jess. What is up? Today I'm going to be filming for you guys my Black Friday haul 2018. I did find some stuff that I was looking for, some stuff I wasn't looking for that I still got, and I love watching Black Friday hauls, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this Black Friday haul. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first place I went was Ulta. They were having some good deals on some stuff that I've been wanting for a while now. So the first thing I got is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and this is the Sun Dip Glow Kit. So that's just what it looks like. I'm really excited to use this palette. I've been wanting it for a while. The next thing I got from Ulta is the Naked by Urban Decay Petite Heat Palette. I've been just getting the Petite palettes just because I got the first ever Naked palette and I did not use all of the shades of eyeshadow that were in it, so I just like the basics that come in the little Petite palettes. I have this one, and I have the Naked 2 palette in a Petite palette, so I really like these. Really good product. And the next thing I got from Ulta is the Naked by Urban Decay Smoky Eye Palette. I actually got this one because it was on sale for $25, and I do like a lot of the shades that are in this. I know there's a lot of shades that I probably will never use, like the blues and purples, but I really like this palette. And it's just like really pretty. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but this is what it looks like. And it's just so pretty. I just love it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Really pretty. Love that. And the next thing I got is this Mario Badescu skincare. It's the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. You can use it just as a facial spray, or you can use it as a setting spray. I know I've already tried it and I like it a lot. So refreshing. I love it, and it smells really good. Hold on one second. I gotta go get the last thing. And the last thing I got from Ulta is this little tiny bottle of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I just wanted to get the tiny bottle just to try it out. I have acne on my chin. I don't know if you can see, but so I like a nice concealer that's gonna cover that up, and I just wanted to try this. I've heard a lot of good things. I've used it twice already and I actually really like it, so I might get the bigger bottle. But the one thing I do like about Ulta is that you can get a lot of products that are maybe you've heard a lot about or you haven't heard a lot about, but you want to try them. You can get them in just like a little bottle or a little container for like $10 or $15 just to try it out before you go and spend $40 on like a big bottle of, say, this Tarte concealer. So I really like that. The next thing I got are the Power Beats 3 wireless headphones. I got them in this kind of army green color, and I actually really like it. I wasn't planning on getting these necessarily in this color, and I really wasn't planning on getting them at all. I just saw that they were on sale at Target for $90, and I think they're regular like $150, but I saw them for $90 and I thought that was a really good deal, so I got these, and I'm really excited to use these at the gym or just at school or doing whatever. And the last thing that I got on Black Friday, I also forgot to mention that I did get a lot more stuff that I was planning on buying for myself, but my mom was there with me, and so she wanted to buy some stuff for me for Christmas, and also my birthday is on Thursday, and so my mom wanted to buy me some stuff to give to me for my birthday and Christmas. So that's why I really only have a couple of things that I got on Black Friday for myself. The last thing that I got is this bright yellow Hydro Flask. I've been wanting a Hydro Flask for a long time now. I worked at a summer camp over the summer, and a lot of the counselors had this water bottle, and I really liked it, and I just like the way it looks. Also, it has like, I think it's called a double wall vacuum seal like coating or like inside of it, something like that, and so it's supposed to keep like cold stuff cold for 24 hours, I think, and then like hot stuff hot for half that. I really like that, That is it for my Black Friday haul 2018. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like it, like and subscribe down below. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye guys.